Did you know there's a secret menu where you can activate fast charging on your cell phone? Well, if you don't know how to activate it, don't worry, because in this video tutorial we'll explain step by step how to activate fast charging on your cell phone. If you get a notification when charging your phone that it's charging very slowly, we'll explain everything in this video. First, we're going to watch this video tutorial step by step without skipping ahead so you don't miss any details. With that said, what we're going to do is the following. To activate fast charging, we need to know that we shouldn't have these options enabled because they slow down fast charging. If you have this function activated, I recommend that you deactivate it. You can't have power saving enabled because that slows down your phone's charging. What we're going to do is go to battery. Then scroll down and you'll find the charging setting, and activate these two functions. That will activate fast charging.